the market opens before you, a vast landscape of opportunity, challenge, and possibility. You breathe deeply, feeling the energy in the air, the hum of data streaming across your screens, the pulse of movement that ebbs and flows like a tide. You remind yourself, I am calm, I am steady, I am present. I do not fear uncertainty. I do not cling to the past. I do not rush into the future. I focus on this moment, on this trade, on the opportunity that aligns with my plan. I am ready. I am prepared. I am capable. I am a consistently profitable trader. I honor my preparation. I honor my strategy. I honor the rules I have crafted to protect my capital, my mind, and my progress. I do not allow fear to dictate my actions. I do not allow doubt to cloud my judgment. I do not allow market noise to shake my confidence. I am disciplined. I am composed. I am in control. When I feel the urge to overtrade, to chase the market, to act impulsively, I pause. I breathe. I remind myself that patience is my greatest weapon. I wait for setups that meet my criteria. I wait for moments that allow me to act decisively and confidently. I do not rush. I do not need to prove anything to anyone. I am patient, and my patience yields clarity, precision, and profit. I wait calmly, knowing the right opportunities come to those who are prepared. Losses may appear, but they do not define me. They are lessons, stepping stones on the path to mastery. I accept each loss with grace. I study it. I learn from it. I grow stronger, wiser, calmer. I bounce back quickly. I do not dwell. I do not judge myself. I reset to neutral, preparing for the next opportunity with a clear mind and focused heart. I am resilient. I am steady. I am empowered. Fear of missing out may whisper in my ear, tempting me to chase what is not meant for me. I do not listen. I trust that the market will provide the right opportunities at the right time. I am aligned with my plan. I am aligned with my process. I wait patiently, confident that my discipline will be rewarded. I act only when the moment is right. I am patient. I am composed. I am decisive. Greed may attempt to sway me, urging me to take more than my plan allows, to risk more than my rules permit. I resist. I remember my purpose. I trade for mastery, consistency, and freedom, not for instant accumulation. I honor my rules, honor my risk, honor myself. I am disciplined. I am steady. I am empowered. I act with clarity, not impulse. Impatience may press against me, urging early entries, premature exits, or self-doubt. I breathe, I wait, I observe. I know the market unfolds in its own time. I trust my signals, my patterns, my preparation. I remain patient, calm, and decisive when the moment aligns. I am focused. I am in control. I am mastery in motion. Self-doubt may appear, questioning my abilities, my judgment, my worth. I counter it with truth. I am skilled. I am prepared. I am capable. I have studied, practiced, and endured. I have built a foundation stronger than fear or uncertainty. I trust myself. I trust my process. I trust my judgment. I am confident. Frustration may arise when the market moves against me or when results do not meet expectations. I do not allow frustration to control me. I breathe deeply. I release tension. I observe each challenge as an opportunity to learn. I remain steady. I remain focused. I act with clarity. I am calm. I am composed. I am resilient. Envy of other traders may surface, tempting me to compare my progress to theirs. I release comparison. I honor my path. I focus on my growth, my discipline, my victories, both small and large. I celebrate my progress. I remain present. I I remain grateful. I remain aligned with my journey. I am unique. I am capable. I am strong. Analysis paralysis may attempt to trap me in overthinking, hesitation, and doubt. I trust my research. I trust my plan. I trust my instincts. Sharpened through experience, I act decisively when the setup is right. I do not second guess. I do not hesitate. I move with clarity, precision, and purpose. I am composed. I am confident. I am empowered. Emotional attachment to outcomes may tempt me to linger in winning trades too long or exit losing trades prematurely. I remain neutral. I detach from results. I focus solely on process, signals, and rules. I am steady. I am disciplined. I am patient. I am free. Perfectionism may whisper that every trade must be flawless. I embrace imperfection as a teacher. I allow myself to err. I learn. I adapt. I refine. I grow stronger with each experience. Mistakes are stepping stones to mastery. I am resilient. I am capable. I am disciplined. Decision fatigue may press upon me, testing my focus and clarity. I rest when necessary. I refresh when needed. I honor my mind and body as instruments of success. I approach each decision with calm, clarity, and confidence. I act decisively. I act intentionally. I act in alignment with my rules. I welcome pressure as a teacher. I thrive under challenge. I rise to the occasion. I remain steady, calm, precise. I act with clarity and confidence. I am resilient. I am disciplined. I am mastery in action. Boredom may tempt me to act impulsively, to abandon patience. I embrace stillness. I honor observation. I respect the process. I know slow, deliberate action builds wealth, security, and mastery. I wait with purpose. I act with precision. I am disciplined. I am steady. I am in control. Overconfidence may tempt reckless risk-taking. I remain humble. I respect the market. I respect my rules. I respect my discipline. I act with clarity, not arrogance. I act with precision, not impulse. I am prepared. I am focused. I am powerful. I am composed. Fear may arise before entry, causing hesitation, doubt, or anxiety. I breathe deeply. I acknowledge the fear. I release it. I am confident. I am capable. I am aligned with my plan. I act decisively when conditions meet my criteria. Revenge trading may tempt me after a loss, urging emotional retaliation. I resist. I act from reason, not emotion. I follow my plan. I honor my rules. I reset to neutral. I learn. I grow. I remain disciplined. I remain composed. I remain focused. Impatience after a loss may urge me to make it back quickly. I wait. I observe. I trust the next opportunity will arrive in its perfect time. I am patient. I am composed. I am consistent. I act only when conditions align. I am mastery in motion. Over-analysis may cloud my judgment, causing hesitation or inaction. I trust my preparation. I trust my plan. I trust my instinct, sharpened through study and experience. I move decisively when the setup meets my criteria. I am clear. I am confident. I am composed. I am empowered. Distraction may whisper, pulling focus from my analysis, my plan, my signals. I release distraction. I remain present. I focus on the charts, the market, and my process. I am attentive. I am alert. I am aware. I am ready. I am capable. Fatigue may cloud my clarity, testing my focus and patience. I honor rest. I honor balance. I refresh my mind. I regain focus. I act with precision. I act with clarity. I act with calm. I am steady. I am resilient. I am disciplined. I am mastery. Self-judgment may arise after mistakes. I release judgment. I forgive myself. I learn. I adapt. I grow. I embrace each step as part of my journey to mastery. I am patient. I am kind. I am disciplined. I am calm under pressure. I am patient when opportunities delay. I am resilient in the face of loss. I am disciplined when temptation arises. I am focused when distraction appears. I am composed when volatility tests me. I am confident in my preparation, skill, and plan. I am empowered in every moment. I am grateful for every trade, every setup, every lesson, every challenge. I honor the journey, the discipline, and the growth it brings. I embrace each day with clarity, curiosity, and purpose. I am ready. I am present. I am mastery. I am rich in skill. I am abundant in opportunity. I am wealthy in patience. I am powerful in discipline. I create consistency through adherence to rules. I create mastery through focus. I create freedom through patience, composure, and unwavering belief in myself. I am unstoppable. I see each trade as a canvas, each setup as a brushstroke, each lesson as a color in my masterpiece. I act decisively when conditions align. I wait patiently when they do not. I am aligned with the rhythm of the market. I am aware. I am present. I am steady. I am prepared. I am mastery in motion. I honor my emotions. I recognize them. I accept them. I channel them wisely. I do not suppress or overreact. I remain composed. I remain disciplined. I remain focused. I remain empowered. I am disciplined in analysis. I am decisive in execution. I am detached in outcome. I respect rules, process, and self. I wait with confidence. I move with precision. I honor patience, clarity, and mastery above fear, greed, and impulsivity. I celebrate consistency over luck. I honor preparation over chance. I value learning over immediate gratification. I cherish discipline over chaos. I invest in mastery over quick wins. I am steady. I am focused. I am empowered. I am resilient. I recover quickly. I analyze losses with calm. I celebrate victories with composure. I move from one trade to the next without attachment or fear. I am neutral. I am clear. I am decisive. I honor the rhythm of the market. I respect its flow. I trust signals, patterns, and preparation. I wait. I observe. I analyze. I act. I reset. I repeat. I am consistent. I am disciplined. I am composed. I am empowered. I am abundant. I am capable. I am powerful. I am disciplined. I am patient. I am resilient. I am confident. I am consistent. I am financially free. I am in control. I am mastery. I am opportunity. I am freedom. I am wealth. I am peace. The market may challenge me. The market may test me. The market may surprise me. I meet it with clarity, composure, patience, and mastery. I act decisively when conditions are right. I wait patiently when the setup is imperfect. I honor my plan. I honor my process. I honor myself. I am the trader I aspire to be. I am patient, disciplined, resilient, focused, composed, confident, empowered. I am mastery. I am consistently profitable. I am steady. I am present. I am calm. I am prepared. I am ready. I am powerful. I am free. I am abundant. The market is my canvas. Each trade is a stroke. Each observation, insight. Each moment of patience, mastery. I create my masterpiece deliberately. I respect the process. I honor my craft. I follow my plan. I trust myself. I trust the market. I trust the journey. I am consistently profitable. I am mastery. I am free. I am abundance. I am disciplined. I am patient. I am resilient. I am confident. I am focused. I am consistent.